Hello again, everyone. We will start part 2 for chapter 2. We will start mixtures. What is mixture? Mixture is a physical blend of two or more components. The key word is physical here. For example, a salad bar. When you go to a salad bar, you physically mix each of the vegetables and you make a different composition. So they do not have a fixed composition. They have different composition. So based on the distribution of their components, which are the matter that you are mixing, they can be heterogeneous mixture or homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is you can see the different composition. They are not uniform. If you mix olive oil and vinegar, you are going to see two phases here, you are going to see two of them here. Or if you mix cereal with milk, that's going to be a heterogeneous because you will see both of them here. The term phase is used to describe any part of the sample in this mixture. So for example here you will see two phases. When you mix olive oil and vinegar, there will be two phases. Homogeneous mixtures, there will be only one composition, one uniform composition. This is called homogeneous. For example, blood. If you check the blood, it is a homogeneous mixture. But if you check it under the microscope, then you will see all of the mixtures here. But here it's a homogeneous. Or coffee. To make coffee, you mix water, coffee, milk, sugar. When you stir them up, you have a homogeneous solution, homogeneous drink. But if you wait for a while, the milk will have some lumps. You will maybe see the sugar at the bottom of the coffee cup. Then it is going to be a heterogeneous solution. How do we separate mixture? What are the separation techniques? We separate them based on their physical properties. For example, filtration. If you make a pasta, to separate water from the pasta, you will do filtration, right? That's a physical property. Or you can do distillation. If you have mixture of two liquids, if for example alcohol in water, they can mix and you cannot see them. You will just see one uniform composition, which is a homogeneous solution. But if you start heating it, alcohol will evaporate first. And then you will collect the alcohol as a gas in this container. It is called condenser. If you apply cold water here, it is gonna turn back into liquid and you can collect the alcohol here. This is called distillation. Or you can use a magnet. For example, sulfur particles mixed with iron particles. This is a physical separation. You can use a magnet, you can use heat to evaporate the solid, you can filter it, you can do chromatography. For example, you can separate the mixture of colors with chromatography. You can do distillation, you can pour it separately, you can collect the scent here. These are all sort of separation techniques for the mixtures. The next part, chapter 2.3, will be about distinguish elements.